Hello guys, today I have got Motorola Vervebuds 250 and I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset. So, the first thing that you need to do is to switch off both buds. So take it out of the case, both actually, and close the case. Now, you need to hold this touch panel until you see power off. Here. It needs to be done on both earbuds at the same time. Now, after it's done, you need to hold this button again, this MFB button, multifunctional button, for 5 seconds until the LED indicator shows red and blue. Then you need to press rapidly this button 4 times. So that should be it. Goodbye.